Alright, so in this video we're going to show you guys how to lay a C7 down on the ground. So you want to start with sending a 1-inch bolt with this bracket. We'll go ahead and take this thing. I'll turn this a little bit. And you're going to set it on just like this. You bolt through. Tighten it up in there. And the impact. I like to use an impact for this with a 1/2-inch socket. If you don't have an impact, a ratchet will work too, and a wrench. So when you lay this down, I like to turn mine sideways. And I'll go ahead, tighten that up where it won't fall too much. This bracket is so when you stake this down, the bottom half likes to kick around. You'll go ahead and put this on here as well with another 1-inch bolt. Okay, and this is where I would recommend help, 110% help. Because if you try to lay down by yourself, you can do it, but if it was to slip, now you've cracked your arm. So I would just go ahead and get 2 people on it, have them lay it down very, very gently. Okay. All right. And then, let's see, where is it? I'm gonna go ahead and position this bracket just like this. So, in this world now, I've got the bracket hanging back here. I would put a stake through there, a stake through my other one, and now your C7 is secure to the ground, can't go nowhere, just fine. And that's all you should be able to do to lay one down. That's all there is that video. Alright, in today's video, we're going to show you guys how to attach a C7 at an angle. This is our angled bracket. You'll notice when you get it, it has one hole in the side of it, but you've got 2 holes on the C7. That's what this comes in for. You'll take this, you'll slide it in here, you'll get this in first, slide up to where the other hole is up here, put that in, and you'll put 2 bolts in it to hold it. And then when you have this C7 secured to it, let's say right here, you'll stake it down in the ground to make sure it doesn't fall over or get damaged. So we'll show that now. I'm gonna be having Jeremy help me today. You need 2 people for this process. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You gotta have 2 people. Right. This can be a little tricky. Just take your time with it. Don't get too frustrated. I do that very easily. Go ahead and lay it down a little more, Jeremy. Yeah. Keep going down. Down just a little bit more. Oh wait, I don't. So the hole, like just into me, it looks like it's too low, right? Like for this to line up, it's like way down here. Just rotate it just a little bit to kind of line up where your height is. This will indeed be the hardest one to get perfect. But once you have it, you got it. Got that one started. Do not tighten it up until you've got both of them in there. All right, lift up, Jeremy. Kind of get that one in there. All right. Now, I prefer an impact with a 1/2-inch socket on it. If you don't have an impact, a wrench and a ratchet would do the same thing. So go ahead and tighten this bottom one up. Where it's kind of snug, you ain't gotta put a lot of pressure behind it. You just don't want it to move. Then Have your second person get it laid on the ground like this. That's really all there is to it. The 2 steaks here, 2 steaks back there. That's all there is. Alright, hope this video is helpful.